G'day everybody and welcome to my Aussie Gardening Kitchen. If it's your first time here, my name's Darren, but please call me Daz. And due to a massive miscommunication on my behalf, I've got so much macaroni cooked that we don't need. And we've got roast chicken that we have too much of. So anyway, I'm going to make a macaroni chicken salad. And the benefit of that is you get to see how I make it. And hopefully you might like the recipe and make it yourself. Here goes. So I'll be using mayonnaise to bind everything together, and then the everything would be roast chicken, cashew nuts, celery, avocado, and I've got salt and pepper just on the side of the plate there. So that's what's going into the salad today. So I'm just going to take the avocado and put it aside for a minute because I'm going to cut this and put it in absolutely fresh last moment, just so the avocado doesn't brown and I don't have to play with putting it in lemon or anything like that. I've got a bowl of macaroni here and it's 3 cups to be precise. So I'm just going to add my celery. A few of the nuts went in, that's fine, they're going in next. Now with the cashew nuts, we prefer cashew nuts, but I do recommend walnuts. Walnuts are a really nice nut to have in a salad like this, especially with the celery. They pair well. Maybe almonds, you could even try almonds. Maybe flaked almonds would be good to go into this. So with the nuts and the celery, there was a cup of each. And here I've got 2 cups of rotisserie chicken that's obviously pre-cooked. And here is 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Just give them a bit of a mix. And here we've got 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now this is a commercial mayonnaise. Yes, I do make my own mayonnaise, but we don't have any eggs, so I'm going to have to use the stuff from a bottle. And this one's actually quite good. It's one the family really likes. It's slightly sweet, which is going to go well with the nuts and the celery in this salad. So we'll get this into there, but by all means, you use whatever type of mayonnaise you prefer. Okay, we've got the mayonnaise in there, so let's give it a stir. Now it's time for the avocado. Time to get that avocado into the salad. And just a gentle mix here. We don't want to break up the avocado too much. Just making sure that the avocado gets evenly coated with the mayonnaise because we don't want it going brown in the salad. It's not going to look good. So there you go. That's my macaroni and chicken salad. It's a bit of a winner in this house. I mean, you've got the crunch of the celery, the crunch of the nuts. Chicken and avocado go so well together. And of course you've got the mayo and the macaroni in there. Bring it all together and just look at that. You just want to dive into it straight away. I hope you give it a go yourself, and if you do, let me know in the comments what you think of it. And if you do try it with walnuts or something like that, almonds, sliced almonds, flaked almonds, let me know how you go and tell me what you prefer if you do try different types of nuts. Now if you like this recipe, do check out this one popping up on the screen right now, and please, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and subscribing and ticking the notification bell and all that sort of stuff. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.